think it's working. Come on, let's go. Papa needs a new pair of shoes. That screen! Oh! Holy moly! It loaded the blog posts. Alright, today we are going to add Google authentication to the NetWriter mobile app, which is Xamarin Forms, thanks to this beautiful blog post by Timothy. However, it is 3 years old, so likely there will be some updates. Looks pretty straightforward. Very cool. Look at that. Wow, it goes on. We will see how we get on. So first we're going to the Google API console. Manage projects. New project. 12 projects remaining in your quota. We're going to call this NetWriter mobile. There we go. Let's view that project. We have a nice new GCP project here. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Credentials. Configure the Auth consent screen. Okay, next up, APIs and services, credentials. OAuth consent screen. Available to any user with a Google account. Application name, NetWriter. Let's upload a picture. I'll do. Shown on the consent screen. How's that? Scopes for Google APIs. If you have sensitive state, calendar or drive, Google verify consent screen before it's published. Profile open ID. So the two scopes that I want are so look, I want drive file and logger. So I need logger. Okay, add a missing scope. Please visit the Google API library to find and enable the API you would like to use for returning to add scopes. Or manually paste your scopes. Let's go to the API library. Enable APIs and services. Logger. Yes, please. Let's enable this API. Let's do this. Come on. Okay. Now I also need to enable drive, I think. Okay. Add scope. Aha! Manage your Blogger account. Drive file. That's what we want. Opened or created with this app. Okay. Application homepage link must be hosted on an authorized domain. Let's go and do some domain verification, I guess. Okay, netriteapp.com. Take me there. Verify your ownership. Your Google account will be recorded in Google Systems as an official owner of this property. Save. Okay. Click verify below. Hey, look at that. Okay, so back to the OAuth consent screen. It's the one I was working on earlier. netriteapp.com. Okay. Cool. Save. Alright, so we've added that app. It's pretty cool. That is pretty cool, I like it. See, this says optional until you deploy your app. It's not optional anymore, boys. Okay, let's create a client ID for Android. Create credentials. OAuth client ID, application type, Android. Let's call this Android local build. Package name. So let's head to our root Android app. It's in the Android manifest. Yeah, I want my Android manifest. Package name is com.company name. Okay, that'll be our package name for now. Boom. SHA1 certificate fingerprint. So, in there, key pass Android. Oh, key store password Android. Aha! So Android is a default password in this debug key store. And which fingerprint do they want? SHA1 fingerprint, which is that. Thank you very much. Boom. Great. Okay, so we've got a new client ID, that's pretty useful. stick that in Notepad, save that for later. So there's no client secret anymore. It appears to just use the key as the secret, which makes sense, the signing key. So what is next on the list? It is, I don't need to do that iOS yet. Xamarin Auth. Okay, we are in business. Access token reader. Implement interface. So get back into this guy. Thank you. Thank you very much. What is this? So Xamarin Auth. Static Auth to Authenticator. If auth is null, the scopes are thus. Do. Okay, auth, and then we do we fire this off. Wrong place for a copy pasta. No. Okay, I need to register the whole thing. Okay. Yeah, what's wrong with that? Type, which is not valid in the given. Oh, type of. Okay, that's that registered. Plugin.current activity. Cheers, James. Okay. Okay. Cross current activity. Current. App context. Hey. Start activity. Okay. That looks like it works. Come on, load. Set your prop provider, Google Blogger, add blog. And we get a pop. We got a pop. That's pretty cool. Okay. Let's log in, see what happens. Got to do a two-step. Okay. Allow. Correct. Fantastic. So it redirects to Google with a troll face. Brilliant. So we it's authenticated false. Correct. Okay. So we need to catch the returning activity using this stuff. Now we need to catch the returning activity, main activity, Xamarin, Google Auth. Google Interceptor. Google Auth Interceptor. This is second part of the redirect URL. this guy. Thank you very much. So what we actually want is Google Access Token Reader, .auth, on page loading, and make that public. It is private, public. Finish. Okay. Stick the breakpoint in there and let's go. So, select your blog provider, Google Blogger, add blog. Yep, we know that's not, but it needs to pop this. Allow. Is authenticated. True! Look at that. It doesn't close automatically. It popped up something at the bottom there. I think it's working. Come on, let's go. Papa needs a new pair of shoes. Black screen. Oh, holy moly. It loaded the blog posts. Very cool. Now I wonder in the last 5 minutes if I can figure out how to make this activity go away. Okay. Just before finish. Let's do it. Okay, we might be in luck. Hey! Look at that. What a work to treat. I think we are done. All right, it's loaded the blog post from Google. Very cool. Very cool. Look at that. That was fun. I'm going to put all the stuff on my blog, all the code that you need to do this, so you can follow along at home. Thanks for watching. Cheers.